How to grow your YouTube channel in 2024. Hey YouTube, if you're a small creator trying to grow your channel in 2024, you're in the right place. YouTube is more competitive than ever. But today I'm sharing some practical 2024 specific tips that will help you grow faster, build a community, and most importantly, have fun while doing it. Whether you're just starting out or you've been grinding for a while, there's something here for you, so make sure to stick around till the end. Tip 1. Choose a specific niche. The first tip, and it's as important as ever, is niching down. YouTube is flooded with creators, and the way to stand out in 2024 is by focusing on a very specific niche. Instead of going broad, find something you're passionate about that's also unique enough to set you apart. Think budget gaming laptops instead of just tech reviews. Having a specific niche helps the algorithm understand exactly who to recommend your videos. And more importantly, it builds a loyal audience that knows exactly what to expect from you. You want people to subscribe because they trust you're the expert in that one area. Tip 2. Optimize for SEO in 2024. Next, let's talk about something critical. YouTube SEO. Search engine optimization isn't just for websites. It's crucial for getting your content discovered on YouTube too. In 2024, you need to be smart about your titles, tags, descriptions, and even your video script. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find the right keywords for your niche. These keywords should be included naturally in your title and description. But here's a 2024 tip. Focus on long-tail keywords, phrases like best vegan recipes for beginners, because they're less competitive and more likely to rank higher in search. Also, add timestamps in your videos to help with both user experience and SEO. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps Google and YouTube index your content better. Tip 3. Thumbnails and titles. Make them click-worthy. Now you can't grow your channel without killer thumbnails and titles. It doesn't matter how good your content is. If people aren't clicking, the algorithm won't push. In 2024, the competition is tough, so your thumbnail has to pop. Make sure your thumbnails are clear, with bold, readable text and a strong central image. And don't forget to keep them consistent with your branding. As for titles, avoid clickbait, but make them intriguing. Create curiosity and let viewers know what they'll get out of watching. Something like, I tried X for 30 days. Here's what happened. Always works well. Tip No. 4. Community engagement. Build a loyal following. Next, let's talk about the heart of growing your channel, building a community. In 2024, it's not just about getting views, it's about building relationships with your audience. And trust me, engagement is everything. Make sure you're replying to comments, asking questions in your videos, and using features like polls and community posts. You can even host live streams to interact in real time. The more connected your audience feels to you, the more they'll support you through likes, shares, and returning for every upload. Tip No. 5. Consistency and quality. One of the biggest challenges small creators face is maintaining consistency, but I can't stress this enough. YouTube rewards regular uploads. Figure out a posting schedule that works for you, whether it's once a week or twice a month, and stick to it. However, don't sacrifice quality for quantity. A well-made video every 2 weeks will perform better than 5 rushed ones. Focus on delivering value with each upload, and your audience and the algorithm will reward you over time. Tip No. 6. Using analytics to grow smarter. Lastly, let's talk about analytics. YouTube gives you so much valuable data about what's working and what's not. Don't just look at views. Pay attention to audience retention, your click-through rate, and how people are finding your video. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you grow your channel in 2024. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like these. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're working on and answer any questions you have. Keep grinding, creators. And remember, every big YouTuber started small, just like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.